Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, June 6th. Time is around 6:10 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform. So here I have the 4 hour graph. So on the weekdays, I analyze the lower time frame. In the weekends, I analyze the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily. And so in my weekend video, I told you that I'm expecting a pullback in the DAX. And the reason is that divergence is all over here at the daily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, the strength, the RSI is very clearly diminishing. So as long as the data shows me this, as long as this RSI is not erased here by a new push to the upside, I have to assume that a pullback is near. Now, a pullback in the higher time frame does not mean that we cannot see a bit more upside in the lower time frame, and this is also how my count looks at this very moment. The reason that I would go for this count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and still a wave 5 to the upside, is this strong push here in RSI. Yeah, there is some divergence, but normally a wave 5 ends way weaker. So I believe we could still make another high here with some RSI divergence compared to this high here. But I have to emphasize that this could be an equally valid count. So the high could be in, and the pullback in the higher time frame could start. This is another scenario that I have to share with you. But okay, let's continue our analysis with this count here, and let's further zoom in on the 1 hour graph. So in the 1 hour here we have our the top of our wave 3, and so now I believe we were doing a wave 4, or we are doing, or we are still doing a wave 4. I will explain this in a minute. So here a wave 4 is is a corrective move, so it has to go in an ABC, and this is what we have here. We have an A down, a B up, and a C down. If we look at 15 minutes, we clearly see 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our wave A. Then we have our wave B to the upside, A, B, C. And then we have again an impulse down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unfortunately, we did not reach this area here. I drew this area as a target for our wave 4 to go long here, and this area is the equal leg area from your ABC. No, this should be. What have I done here? No, something went wrong with this box. It should be like this. Yeah. Yeah, so this was your area for wave 4, but it looks like we didn't reach it, although we can still reach it. I will explain this in a minute. So this was our ABC, and so after a corrective move, we have to go a corrective move to the downside. We have to go up again, and this is the situation where we are now. So I will share some scenarios with you that can play out today, and yeah, based on which scenario can you which based on which scenario that works out, you can decide how to enter a trade. So yesterday I gave you this box, and look what happened. How beautiful trading is. We touched the upper bound of this box, and we had a reaction to the downside. So my take on this is, like, if this was our wave 4 low, it means we need an impulse to the upside, which is our wave 1, and which is the start of a new cycle to the upside. So there are some things that might happen today. First of all, it could be that our wave 1 is not in yet. Like, it could be, like you see here, that this is 1, 2. We reached the target of our wave 3, which is the 1.618 extension. Look here, perfect, perfect touch, beautiful. And that this is our 4, that we will still have a wave 5 to the upside here in the 15-minute, and that our wave 1 is then completed. If this turns out there is a nice trade opportunity, what you have to see is that we make another high here, but on the 1 hour you need to see divergence. Like, we need another high here, but there should be divergence in your RSI. This is very important. If this is not the case, you do not enter this trade, because then something else might, another scenario might play out that I will explain you in a minute. So this could be a possibility for a trade, and then if we have our 1, we will go down like this as an ABC for a wave 2, and then we can go here long again. But maybe that's too much for today. This is probably a move that we should discuss tomorrow. So this is a possibility. Another possibility is that our wave 1 is indeed in here, because as you can see, yeah, on the 15-minute there is divergence, and there is a little bit of divergence on the 1 hour. So that our wave 1 is in here. Then what will happen is we are doing our ABC as a wave 2. So if you are short from here, just stay short. Move your stop loss to your price. You are risk free by now, and then you can wait for this to play out. And if we have a deep enough retracement, you can take profit and go long again from this wave 2. So what I want to see here is, yeah, some ABC structure, which is not there yet, but I believe it will look something like this. This could be your A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then now we have something like a B, another drop as a wave C, and then we have our area for a wave 2, like this. Wave A, let's assume wave B ends here, and then the area to go long is here. This is also a scenario that can play out. Then next, yeah, another scenario. It might be that our wave 2 is already in here. So, and that's like normally a wave 2 retraces deeper. Normally you should reach the 0.5 fib retracement, but sometimes it happens. I've seen it before, like even 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 yeah, if an index is very bullish, that there is only a shallow retracement for a wave 2, and so we didn't reach the 0.5. I just want to share with you this scenario because I told you it's important if we make another high that you see RSI divergence in the 1 hour. Because if you do not see RSI divergence, it could be that our wave 2 is in here and that we are actually doing our wave 3. And if this happens, you will short a wave 3 somewhere here. And yeah, you don't want to short a wave 3 to the upside, because then you will lose money. A wave 3 is too strong. You cannot short this. Therefore, this condition that I shared with you of having another high here with divergence is very important. Okay, so these are the bullish scenarios that could play out. There's also still another possibility that I also shared with you yesterday, and this is the scenario of the wave 4, which is not in yet. What do I mean with this? This would look like this actually. So this is our wave A. Then it looks like one. It's better on the 1 hour, I think, to show this. Then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this, we end with divergence. Okay, very good. Wave A. Then this here would be our wave B, which can be as an ABC. Like this can be your A, this can be your B, and this can be your C. Then we have a wave B here, and then from here we go down in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave C, and then our target becomes here this this area, and then this area is again the area to go long, or to initiate a long trade, and then we see if it holds or not. If it does not hold, it will mean that that the pullback of the higher time frame has started. So this is actually also a scenario that could play out in the near future. So it means that from here you can go long, and that's why if you're short from here, just move your stop loss to your price and wait what happens. If you are stopped out here, then just try to enter again on then somewhere here, for instance, if we end with divergence, to take this move. And if this move does not play out, it can be a wave 2 as I show here, like then A, B, C, and then somewhere here we go long again. So yeah, guys, as you see, a lot of possible counts, but yeah, this is how we have to do it. We have to consider a lot of scenarios and enter in order to enter the good trades. We cannot enter blindly. Conditions should be fulfilled. We have to think about different scenarios, and this is what I see for today. And so, depending on what exactly plays out, I will enter my trade. So let's see. I wish you a nice day. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another analysis. Bye bye.